Now we start with the chaos that have erupted in Kariobangi North, where DCP party leader Rigathi Gachagua is attending a Thanksgiving church service for the DCP candidate who won Thursday's ward by-election. Rival groups have clashed outside the venue, engaging police in running battles as officers struggle to contain the situation. We are now joined live by Stephen Leto, who is following up on the events on the ground. Good afternoon, Leto. If you can hear me, how's the situation being contained and what's going on right now?
Well, the situation right here in Kariobangi North remain tense, and as chaos continue, two rival groups clashed, engaging police in running battles. The police have been forced to seek for reinforcement as they've, fired live bullets to disperse the clashing groups. They've also, been firing tear gas canisters to disperse those groups that are wielding, crude weapons. We've seen some youths even, holding pangas as they engage each other. We've seen several youth have been injured and rushed to hospital. We've also seen this particular, confrontation is happening just outside the PCA church here in Kariobangi North, where former deputy president and the party leader for the DCP party is attending a Thanksgiving service with the DCP candidate who won in the Kariobangi North by-election that was held last Thursday. That is, we've seen already some of the leaders have already spoken. The DCP leader is currently, making his remarks in church with the area now filled with, tension and everything. There was plan, of course, for the DCP leader to address the locals right here outside the church at the roadside, but due to this kind of a confrontation and the situation that has unfolded outside the church, has now forced that particular plan to be reviewed. We do not know whether now that is going. Already the running battles are ongoing. We've seen, youth from the other side coming. We've seen those who are coming from the other end and those who are coming from the end trying to pelt stones. Several vehicles, of course, have been destroyed during the melee. So we continue to keep tabs and see what unfolds right here in Kariobangi North, where we are stationed right now.